Continuing with the arrest spree, the Indian troops rounded up 3 Kashmiri youth in the Pulwama district today. According to Kashmir Media Service, the youth were detained during a cordon and search operation. In order to justify the arrest, the Indian troops claimed to have recovered 2 pistols from their possession. Restrictions on mobile internet services remained imposed in the twin districts of Rajouri and Poonch for the fourth consecutive day today. According to Kashmir Media Service, the mobile internet services were suspended by the Indian authorities after the killing of 3 civilians in the Indian Army's custody in the Surankote, Poonch. All Parties Hurriyat Conference has said that India is continuously trampling international laws by using the black laws to kill, arrest and summon anyone to the Indian Army camps in occupied Kashmir and India. According to Kashmir Media Service, APHC spokesman in a statement issued in Srinagar said India's propaganda of the so-called peace in the territory is meant to hide its crimes against humanity in the territory. People's Democratic Party President Mehbooba Mufti, referring to the normalcy mantra being propagated by Narendra Modi regime in the occupied Kashmir, particularly in the wake of the abrogation of Article 370 in August 2019, has said that the facade of normalcy extracts a heavy price from the people of Jammu and Kashmir. According to Kashmir Media Service, Mehbooba Mufti said this in an article. National Conference President Farooq Abdullah, while reiterating his call for the resolution of the Kashmir dispute peacefully to save Jammu and Kashmir from turning into another Gaza, has criticized Narendra Modi, Indian government for not talking to Pakistan on the issue. According to Kashmir Media Service, Farooq Abdullah was speaking to the reporters in Srinagar. Jammu and Kashmir National Conference has said that the BJP-led Indian government has always betrayed the Kashmiri people by giving them false hopes. According to Kashmir Media Service, the NC leaders, while addressing a meeting of the party workers held in Jammu, said that there was a situation of the unrest and chaos across the occupied territory. A big protest demonstration was held in the Jhelum Valley, Azad Kashmir today against the custodial killing of 3 Kashmiri civilians by the Indian Army in Surankote area of the Poonch district. According to Kashmir Media Service, the protest was led by the Hurriyat leader and Vice Chairman Tehreek-e-Shabab ul-Muslimin Mushtaq Ahmed Butt. The participants raised high-pitched and anti-India slogans on the occasion.